Welcome, today I'm gonna talk about some useful apps. Some of which I also use. Excalidraw, so when I was in school I used to write stuff on paper with a pen. But now I'm not in school, so I use Excalidraw to note my ideas and stuff when I'm on my PC. It feels comfy and convenient that I have a very nice looking notes app open in a tab which has infinite sized page, so I can note down ideas, make scripts, insert images and connect them all like a flow chart. I have also used it and liked it very much, totally recommended. TranslucentTb. I know we all have wish for something transparent in our life, and this app just does that. It makes the taskbar transparent, and now you can call yourself the new cool kid in the town, cause you are the only one with transparent taskbar, PC Manager. You can find this app on Microsoft Store. And this app can help you do a lot of things, like it can make you black coffee, parenthesis open, just kidding, parenthesis closed, but it can help you boost your PC. Clean up unused temporary files and downloaded files which you don't use anymore. To be honest, I can make a separate video on it. Guys. If you don't mind, I would like to sneak in our sponsor here, AE Juice. If you are an editor, then their plugin can come in help for you and may make your workflow easier. It can come handy in many ways and can be very useful. Check it out from the link in the description. Please, I need to earn money as well. Let's continue our video. Ween Aero Tweaker. You can download this app from their website. This app allows you to do many tweaks and changes to your Windows. Like bringing back Windows 7 games which we all used to grind on. Or bring back the Windows 10 menu, or removing this annoying little Copilot. Remove Copilot. This app has so much stuff that it deserves a separate video. More content idea for me, yay. Rambox. With this app, you can log in all your socials, messaging apps, and Gmails. And see and reply from the same place instead of opening all these apps separately. I haven't logged in any of these apps cause no one freaking messages me. Link to Windows. You need to download this on your phone from playstore. Well, this app does what it says. It connects your phone to your PC and you can access all your messages, gallery. You can even turn your phone silent from here. You can import videos and photo directly from gallery as well. This was all for the super flippin' fantasticulated video. For more videoings, please subscribe. Bye bye.